you have your ethics down. You're really honest. You're focused on the truth. You get your niche sorted. You got a really good niche. You have a blazingly lucid, compelling point of view. A well thought out business model. Great relationships with hubs. That's not a guarantee it'll work. That's important to underline. This is not a guarantee of success. But not having these is a guarantee of failure. Yeah? I cannot imagine a business succeeding for any period of time. Because what you're left with is grind at that point. If you don't have these, where does the mojo come from for your business? From your eternal soul, you know? It comes from your, you're just spending your life force on it. It's on life support and you are sustaining it with that and your time, and that will destroy you. You know, you can see people this is true for in business. It's just sheer force of will that keeps the thing alive. So the 5 fundamentals don't guarantee success. The absence of them pretty much guarantees failure or extreme difficulty and just suffering. But it's good to point out because people will think, oh, there's nothing else besides these. No, those are the foundation to everything. You still need to then have other tactics. You got to do, there's bookkeeping. How about that? Paying taxes. Insurance. Yeah, negotiating leases with some amount of savvy. You know, being charming with your people who you owe money to give you a break. Supply chains, sorry. Regulations, right? Laws changing. How about your whole industry changing? How about a small little thing like lockdowns decimating your whole industry? I mean, there's all sorts of things that can happen and all other sorts of things to consider. It's just that to me, this is like, it gives you a basis. It gives you something solid to stand on. And you may survive, you may not, but chances are higher. That's all. If I was a betting man, you know, I'd be betting on a business that had these. If I was a venture capitalist, I'd be looking at, do you have these things? And if you do, you're in the running. And if you don't, I'm really not that interested. Yeah, thank you. I'm glad you said that.